Stevie will join us later.
Let's squeeze in a game then.
Ooh, should we pick up our last game of Warriors?
Sure.
I'm in.
Yeah, rock and roll.
Boom!
Save?
Yep.
Pizza.
Yes.
I'm waiting on you guys.
Stevie!
The party has arrived.
Where did we leave off?
An eerie mist clings to the wall of the cave, just as the villagers said. Nevertheless, you're drawn in.
Wow.
Something is amiss. Roll for initiative. Critical hit. Roll for damage. Slain.
Awesome.
I gotta go. Okay?
Aww.
Bye-bye.
Back to our other game?
Only if you want to lose.
Load it up.
The gaming industry is growing bigger and bigger every day. Millions of people are using a computer mouse for gaming and encounter the discomfort of high friction against the mousepad and the lack of stability while maneuvering the mouse. Because of this, gamers around the world are performing worse and suffer from injuries. Hello, my name is Oscar and I'm the founder and CEO of Flashy Gaming Group. As a gamer at a high level, I always look for ways to improve my gameplay, and to prevent me from getting injured. During the last 2 years, I've tried to find a solution for the problems that gamers encounter every day while using a computer mouse, and I'm so happy to finally present the world's first patent-pending performance-enhancing gaming glove. The flashy gaming glove consists of 4 key components: the gaming sleeve, the friction reduction, the angle improvement, and the rotation support. Compression sleeves have been used for a long time in many sports, for example basketball. The reason for this is that studies show that compression sleeves help with blood circulation, body temperature, reduced muscle stress, and faster recovery. With all these benefits, we believe that our gaming sleeve will be a key component to esports and the everyday gamer. To me, it makes no sense that gamers are playing with a computer mouse that has a low friction against the surface, and yet their underarm and the wrist have a high friction. With the flashy gaming glove, you don't have to worry about this problem. The underside is covered with Teflon, the same friction-reducing material that you usually find on the underside of your mouse. This means that you will finally be able to become one with your mouse and move it easier than ever before. Today's typical use of a computer mouse does not provide you with a healthy angle for the wrist. This leads to poor mouse movement and in turn injuries. The flashy gaming glove has a built-in incline that always provides you with an optimal angle towards the mouse. Finally, I'm so happy to present the world's first rotation support for gaming. Precision is extremely important while you are gaming, and the rotation support provides you with a control movement for perfect precision, and once again, reduced friction. On top of that, you can get it in different sizes and 4 different colors: red, blue, green, and white.
Finally, a gaming mouse that puts full control in the palm of your hand. Lexip is a mouse specifically designed for gamers of all levels. So whether you play in professional gaming tournaments or you're just a weekend gamer, Lexip is designed to be a versatile mouse for gamers everywhere. What truly sets the Lexip mouse apart from its competitors is its conveniently positioned joystick on the side of the mouse, along with its internal mechanical 2-axis joystick, which allows users to operate the mouse to tilt or to use as a joystick, offering 2 options in one. This mini joystick features mechanical feedback forces that only regular-sized joysticks used to offer, making this the first of its kind.
The joystick allows me to go through the entire map, which is actually really cool. I mean, it's great. It's going to make a massive difference in big games.
Oh wow, yeah, you can use the joystick, really works well right here.
Lexip's control panel allows you to customize and configure the settings specific to what you're comfortable with, providing you with various shortcuts. And once you configure the settings, you won't need to configure them again.
Introducing our new breakthrough gaming experience. Are you missing those split-second shots that determine the winner? Let your body's electrical impulses make your next move. Brink Bionics is debuting the fastest gaming technology in the industry with its Impulse Neurocontroller to optimize your speed in first-person shooter and fast-paced action games.
So when a gamer playing games and press the mouse button, a lot is happening. Your motor cortex is sending neural commands to this muscle. And once that muscle gets fired, the muscle fiber will shorten and pulling the finger. And then that's your mouse click.
The time between muscle contraction to click can take up to 150 milliseconds. Your current gaming mouse is reactive to your movements, whereas Impulse is proactive. Impulse works with your mouse to tap into your body's electrical signals to anticipate your choice up to 80 milliseconds before you click your mouse.
So when using Impulse, what it's picking up is fine motor movements from your individual fingers. So when using it with a gaming mouse, You can either move to click, or you can just use the fine neural input to fire, which ultimately is faster than clicking. And this way, Impulse can work with your existing gaming mouse, but eventually replace settings on your gaming mouse as you become more proficient with Impulse.
Impulse interfaces your nervous system with your current PC gaming setup. Our neurocontroller features 4 myoelectric muscle sensors, a neoprene adjustable glove, a low-friction pad, wired USB connection for faster communication, and comes in all sizes. Best of all, Impulse improves latency for left and right clicks.
3, 2, 1, ignition. Hex Gears, in collaboration with Kono Store, is proud to present its flagship product, the X1, an ultra-thin, high-performance mechanical keyboard. Its design is inspired by the world's first supersonic aircraft, with a sleek CNC machined aircraft-grade aluminum case, state-of-the-art RGB backlighting, and multi-device Bluetooth connectivity. The X1 spearheads a new class of mechanical keyboard. The X1 uses ultra-thin Kaiwa chalk switches, which offer extreme performance. Chalk switches have a higher activation point and shorter travel than traditional mechanical models. That means they're faster and easier to press. Full RGB lighting and custom WASD backlight modes can evoke your personality or match your style. The X1 uses an incredibly fast USB Type-C connection and has the fastest available polling rate. If gameplay or business takes you outside of the office, the X1 has you covered. It's incredibly travel-friendly due to its compact and uncompromising form factor. Aircraft-inspired engineering gives it a style that makes any setup look sleek and classy. The X1's specially designed frame improves Bluetooth performance. You can easily pair it with up to 4 separate devices, which lets you control your entire digital world with a single keyboard. It's a top-tier way to use all your tech, not just computers. Our company, Hex Gears, built the X1 for gamers, creatives, and those who crave the best gear.